So by now you've probably heard about some of the cool features you can do with the widgets on iPadOS 14. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of tricks and hacks for taking better notes with the new update. So let's get started. Sometimes I find myself brainstorming about different ways that I can change up the look of my notes, and one of the ways I like to do this is by adding little doodles. Except I'm not the best at drawing, so one of the things that makes it really easy for me with this new update is that it autocorrects your shapes when you're using the Notes app. So what you can do is, say you're trying to draw a heart, you draw it, hold down, and then the iPad will automatically correct it to make it into the perfect shape. Something I've talked about on my channel before is GoodNotes and how easy it is to use to make your own shapes using the Shapes tool. You click right here, and then you can create basic shapes like squares, circles, and triangles. But it won't really make the heart for you or a star. So if you want to make those shapes, you're better off just using the Notes app until they create an update where GoodNotes lets you make those shapes as well. To make things even easier when you're screenshotting something, drag from the bottom left corner of the screen and it'll take a screenshot. Here you can annotate it, do little doodles, crop it, or you can just hit done and then save it to photos and it'll be added to your camera roll. One of the best features to come out of the new update is Scribble. Basically what you can do is write out your notes and then it changes it into text to make it look like you typed it up instead of hand wrote it. So let's say that you're writing out something. This is my digital planner, but I don't like how this came out. So what you can do is hit the text button right here, and then go here, and then you're gonna wait for that little cursor to come up. Once that comes up, you can start writing in your text. This is really useful when it comes to digital planning and you don't like the way that your handwriting looks normally. Or if you take notes, you can just use this feature while you're writing out your notes, and if you feel like you can't read your own handwriting, Scribble will change it into text to make it look like you typed the whole thing up. You can also use Scribble when you're in Safari by going into the browser bar, and then you can just type in whatever website you want to go to. Instead of actually typing it, you can write it out. You can even use Scribble to write out your text messages, which is pretty cool. So you know how when you're in GoodNotes you can normally press 2 fingers on the screen like this and it'll undo whatever action you just did? Well, with the new update with Scribble, you can actually use your pencil to erase whatever you just wrote. So let's say that I want to delete this word, I can literally scribble it out and it'll go away. How awesome is that? And if you guys are wondering where I got this digital planner from, definitely consider subscribing and following me on Instagram, where I'll be giving sneak peeks about what I've been working on for the past couple of weeks and when it goes for sale. And that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep an eye on this channel for more iPad videos. I'll see you in the next one.